Are you ready to kick off 2024 with some exciting news about the national real estate market? Whether you're thinking of buying or selling, you'll want to stay tuned for the latest trends and what they could mean for you in 2024. I'm Laura Napicella with August Home Group and eXp Realty, here with the latest housing data. Here's the big headline. Mortgage applications are up by 3%, hitting their highest point in recent weeks, as reported by Redfin. This spike is largely thanks to a welcome dip in interest rates, and it's got buyers jumping into action. But that's not all. There's even more good news on the horizon. Recent reports suggest that the inflation is taking a breather, and this could mean the Federal Reserve might hold off on increasing interest rates. In fact, they might even start cutting them back earlier than expected this year. This shift is a game changer, both for buyers and sellers. And speaking of sellers, they're definitely seizing the moment. We're seeing new listings increase by 3% compared to last year, which is the most significant boost we've seen in the past 2 years. Sellers are keen to capitalize on this surge in buyer interest, and it's creating a vibrant market environment. So what's the takeaway from all this buzz? Well, right now it's a prime time for both buying and selling. Buyers eager for more favorable rates and sellers looking to connect with the increase of interested buyers are finding this market more accommodating than ever. Interested in diving deeper or curious about what this means for your plans? Don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to provide you with all the insights and the guidance you need to navigate this changing market.